Ito yung before at ito yung after. So, ang ginamit ko is itong Elana Mineral. So, ito yung tinted sunscreen in Rose Latte. So, ang kagandahan kasi talaga nito is that this is very lightweight, madaling ma-absorb sa skin, at talagang may coverage siya. So, very light lang yung coverage niya. So, makikita niyo yung pagkakaiba. So, may pagka-rosy ang hue niya. So, yan, hinati ko talaga hinati ko talaga yung pagkaka-apply ko para makita nyo. So, again, this is before and after. At ito talaga ito yung isa sa paborito ko kasi very vegan siya, very clean skincare talaga. And again, may ingredients siya na centella, rosemary extracts, meron tong green tea and chamomile. So, ang isa sa magandang benefits nito para sa akin is may oil control property siya. Pangalawa is that, nakakapagpakalma ng skin, very hydrating din to sa skin. So, may may skincare ingredients na siya, at meron ka ng SPF 50, at may oil control properties pa to. So, kung makikita niyo ibang videos ko, nag-wear test ako. So, for the past 12 hours, talagang hindi ako halos nahula. So, yan. So, yan yung Elana Tinted Sunscreen for me. So, again, this is Rose Latte and this is SPF 50. So, kung naghahanap ka ng tinted sunscreen na very clean, very vegan, at may skincare benefits, so dito ka na sa Elana Minerals.